Hey, hey, hey. There's big old root base. This big old tree fell. Must have happened when we had all that wind. This wasn't here the last time I was up this way. I mean, this thing fell so hard, it cracked. It cracked the trunk right in here. I mean, look at this. Big old crack right there. Look at that fucker. That must have fell hard. Look at that. Right, get off of there. Trees are always attacking me. Right when I was heading back this way, I saw a bunch of deer take off. I didn't realize it. I spooked them. Look at this crack. It's huge. Fucker fell, hit all these other trees. Just took out all these other trees. See? They're all missing their tips. And it just cracked. Once it hit, I'm assuming that's what happened. This is a big, big tree. Still hoping to find some deer antlers. Maybe even like the whole skull. No luck. And I'm pretty deep in here, kind of off the beaten path. I mean, it's right over there, the path. But look, see what's behind me there? Can you see it? That's a shopping cart. It's a gray shopping cart. And yeah, by the way, I shaved since it's not November anymore. December 8th. And did I just find a skull? Is that a skull? Nah, that's a damn, that's a stick. It's a stick. Oh, right there. See how white it is? I thought it was a skull. From over there, it looked like there was eyes and shit. Look at this. It's a tire. Another tire. Mangled shopping cart. Only deep in the woods in Philadelphia, right? There's the rest of the tree, the top of it. Oh shit. See more of these little carts. I didn't see that until just now. This must have been a little party spot or something. Maybe a homeless camp or something. By this cart and that cart behind me. If I was a betting man, I'd put money on that. It was a homeless camp. Once upon a time. Because you usually see, you know, all kinds of carts. There's shopping carts and stuff to make it easy for, you know, people to bring their shit back here. But you usually see the carts by homeless camps. That's like a typical thing you see by a homeless camp. Oh, excuse me. A bunch of carts, like shopping carts and such. Yeah, you just gotta take your time, that's all. Make sure you don't get hit in the face with a stick. Nobody wants to get hit in the face with a stick. I know, I sure in the hell don't. See a piece of bone over there, it looks like. Doesn't that look like a piece of bone right there? Where's the rest of it? Let's see. That sure does look like a piece. Some sort of bone from an animal. All right, let's go down to a knee. Slowly. Let's see what we got here. Yep, oh, there's more bones. There's more bones. Little sticks are in the way. Oh, let's put you back. Come on. Looks like a pelvic bone, right? Where's the skull? Oh, what the fuck. Alright, I can do this. I can do this. Come on. It's worth it. A feather. Yeah, it's some sort of bird. There's a bunch of feathers. Oh, sorry. There's a bunch of feathers. Some sort of bird. Here's the pelvic bone, I guess. I'm assuming. Piece of a wing or something. Come on, where's the skull? I can't bend. Come on. Did something eat the head? Yeah, I don't know. I don't see the head. I don't see the skull. I can't be bending like that anyway. Fuck. Whew, I tried. I did, I tried. Let's try one more time. Assuming the head be around here somewhere, right? Nah, I don't see it. I don't know. Something might have ate the skull. Somebody might have found it too. Ugh. All right. Enough of that. Oh well, we found some bones. Found like a pelvic bone of some bird, some bones of some bird. No skull. It's a shame. I was hoping to find another skull. Yeah, if it's here, I don't see it. I'm not an archaeologist. I don't know how to do it right. I was trying though. I'm gonna pay for that later. I was hoping it was gonna be worth it. Meaning, I was hoping I was gonna have a skull. Even if it was just a bird skull. That I already have one bird skull. Just add to my collection, you know? That would have been great. It would have been awesome. Huh. But it's like the best time to find shit like that in the woods. It's right now, I believe, because, you know, it's not all grown in anymore. So you can see right through it. And the bones, they stand out. They're like white. So white. Up against all this brown and gray, you know? So yeah, to me it's way easier to find this time of year. To find bones this time of year than any other time. Because the shit stands out. And a lot of times you'll find some bones by fallen trees just because, well, I don't know. Sometimes there was animals living in that tree, and sometimes, unfortunately, animals get hit with trees, right? Yeah. I don't know. I don't see nothing. Nothing in this area. These crazy vines on the tree, though. Poison ivy or some shit. That guy's flying quick. I don't know if I got it, but hey, you hear it. You hear the airplane, that's for sure. Do they have like a detector thing that detects bones? Like a metal detector, but it detects bone? That'd be neat, right? That ain't good. Fucking tree behind me right here. I was leaning right there on that tree. I was like just under it. Doesn't look like we're finding any more bones on this little video. Ah, fucker, got me right in the shin. It's part of the journey, right? Part of the journey. Like it's a sock. It's hanging in a bush. It's usually not a good sign. Meaning for the sock. Every time I see a sock like that in a bush, I think, yep, somebody had to take a shit and didn't have toilet paper. So they used their sock. I've been there. I've done it. Used undershirts, socks. That's why, you know, since I have the backpack and all, the only way I can carry my shit. But since I have the backpack, make sure I got some toilet paper up in there. And an extra pair of socks. You never know. You know, I haven't sat over there on that spot in a while. This spot right over here. Right over here. Had a pile of wood still there. My nephew and I made a pile of wood like 2 years ago. It's still there. See, we had a fire pit right here. So you sit here, and you sit here, and we had rocks here. But my nephew took the rocks that were here over to the fire spot where we actually were a little bit ago. I don't think I had a video. I don't think I had that in the video today. But anyway, I was over there. We're in the fire spot area. And we were smoking pot in the fire spot. Yeah. I'm not gonna smoke this video. We smoked a little bit ago and I don't have that much weed on me. So probably make a 420 video. Actually, what time is it right now? Let's see. Yeah, it's 3:25. We got about an hour. Got about an hour. One of these days I'm going to find a nice set of antlers or nice skull in good condition. I'm always looking though. I'm always looking for all kinds of shit like that back here. Or whatever woods I'm in. So far, Pennypack's been good to me. Of course, I've been here enough. You know what I mean? I spend a lot of time in this park. Here we go. I see something over here. Oh boy, looks like somebody was hunting. Looks like somebody was hunting. There's the skin. There's the skin of the deer. I guess they buried all the innards because there's a shitload of flies in there right now. Either that or they took a massive shit. But I believe they buried the innards. And then they took the carcass home. But yeah, there it is. Look at all the fur. It's fucking the hive right there. It's a shame. Salt that shit and turn it into a blanket. You know, why let that go to waste? But it's the meat that they're after. Somebody tagged the deer back here. Fucker, leave the skull next time. Probably kept the head. He's probably a nice buck too. Jeez. Doesn't even smell. Doesn't have a smell. I don't smell nothing. Maybe it's because I'm just drinking beer and all I smell is beer. But yeah, all the innards are buried. They buried a nice hole. Big old hole back there. I don't know, that's my guess. What do y'all think? Did somebody tagged the deer back here and fucking gutted it? That's what it looks like to me. But what do I know? Not too long ago, I had a video here about this big old branch, half a tree actually, that fell and stuck into the ground. It's still here. It's still here, stuck into the ground. They probably pulled that thing out of this park, meaning the deer. They probably pulled the deer out of the park real late at night. Because they would have got fucking caught, I'm pretty sure. They would have got a hefty fine or some shit. I don't know. But I always see a lot of deer in this area. There's always a boatload of deer in this area. So I'm looking for antlers and skulls and shit. Because I believe this would be the area that I'd be finding that stuff in, you know? Right. Alright, so got some bones in this video. Oh, look at this fungus. Looks like it might have been chicken. Looks like it might have been some chicken of the woods. Maybe. Might be some chicken of the woods. Surprised it's not all eaten. It might not be chicken of the woods, I don't know. I'm making all kinds of noise with my can. Something dropped from up top. There's a nest up there too, see it? See the nest? Throwing shit at me? Fucking squirrel. Something landed next to me. I swear. These squirrels are always fucking throwing shit at me. Like fucking stoned hiker. Like, get out of my living room. Just throw stuff at me. Alright, people. I'm gonna end this video. So give me a like, give me a subscribe. Click that link to go check out my merch. It's holiday season. Go check out some stone merch. To buy something. Be awesome. But in any event, stay safe out there. Stay stoned, people.